Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Artifact Registry using service accounts. To authenticate with Google Artifact Registry using service accounts, begin by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. From the home page, locate and select the project you will be working with. Ensure the Artifact Registry API is enabled for your project. To do this, click on the navigation menu in the upper left corner. Expand the APIs and Services section and then select Library. In the library, search for Artifact Registry API. Click on the Artifact Registry API and then click the Enable button. Next, you will need to create a service account. Return to the navigation menu and select IAM and Admin, click on Service Accounts. In the Service Accounts page, click the Create Service Account button. Provide a name and description for your service account. Click the Create and Continue button to proceed to the permission stage. Assign the role Artifact Registry Administrator to the service account. This role allows necessary access to the Artifact Registry resources. Click Continue and then Done to finalize the creation of the service account. Now, you will need to generate a key for this service account. Find your newly created service account in the list and click on it. In the Service Account Details page, navigate to the Keys tab. Click on the Add Key dropdown and select Create New Key. Choose the JSON key type and click Create. This will download a JSON file. Keep this file secure, as it contains sensitive information. To authenticate with the Artifact Registry using the service account, set up your local environment. Install the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already. After installation, open a terminal or command prompt. Set the environment variable to locate the downloaded JSON key file. Use the command export Google_application_credentials /path/ to /your/keyfile.json on Linux or macOS. For Windows, use set Google_application_credentials =c /path/ to /your/keyfile.json. Next, install Docker if you haven't done so yet. To authenticate Docker with the Artifact Registry, use the following command, cloudauth configure Docker followed by the relevant region for your Artifact Registry. This allows Docker to authenticate using your service account credentials. Finally, validate your authentication by pulling a test image from the Artifact Registry. Use the command docker pull location docker.packagedev/project id/repository/image. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.